Hello, welcome to the Great Garden channel. A plant is truly complete only when it blooms at the right time, produces abundant flowers, and maintains its beauty for as long as possible. But to achieve that, the plant needs to be properly prepared and nourished even before bud formation begins. In today's video, I'll share a very simple recipe that uses only ingredients readily available in your kitchen. When applied correctly, this method helps the plant build enough strength for vigorous blooming, promotes even bud formation, enhances vibrant colors, and significantly extends the flowering period. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe to the Great Garden channel so you won't miss any helpful tips. And now, let's get started. Do you have any onions in your kitchen cabinet? Onions contain natural sulfur compounds that provide mild antifungal properties, support healthy root development, and improve nutrient absorption. I only use half of this onion. First, I cut this onion in half. Next, finely slice the onion into small pieces as shown in the video. Chopping it this way helps release the maximum amount of natural compounds and nutrients, allowing them to be more effectively extracted into the water during soaking. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Next, place all the sliced onion into a clean glass cup. Then add 500 milliliters of hot water to the cup with the onion. Finally, cover it and let the solution steep for 2 hours. While waiting, I will rinse the plant. This step is very important because it helps wake up the roots before nutrient absorption. When clean water is gently poured through the growing medium, dust, excess mineral salts, and long accumulated residues are washed away, creating a more airy and healthy environment around the roots. At the same time, evenly moistening the growing medium before applying the nutrient solution helps prevent root shock and reduces the risk of root burn or overly rapid absorption. Once the roots are properly hydrated, the plant can take in nutrients more gradually and efficiently. After 2 hours, once the onion solution has completely cooled, I strain out the solids and keep only the liquid extract. Filtering it carefully helps remove coarse residues, preventing the growing medium from becoming clogged and avoiding organic buildup around the roots. The next ingredient I use is fresh milk. Fresh milk contains small amounts of protein, amino acids, vitamins, and minerals such as calcium and potassium, which help provide natural nutrients for the plant. I add 30 milliliters of milk to the strained onion solution. Then, use a spoon to stir well, so the onion solution and milk are fully combined. Thorough mixing helps the components distribute evenly, prevents sediment from settling, and ensures the plant receives a balanced supply of nutrients when applied. Next, add 1 liter of water to dilute the onion solution. Now, the solution is ready to be applied to the plant. Method 1. First, pour the prepared onion and fresh milk solution into a clean cup. Then, use a soft cloth or cotton pad to gently absorb the solution and lightly wipe each leaf of the orchid. This method helps remove dust and buildup from the leaf surface, while also providing natural nutrients from the milk and bioactive compounds from the onion, helping the leaves become thicker, greener, and glossier. When doing this, gently wipe both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves to ensure thorough cleaning and help the plant absorb nutrients more effectively. Method 2. Pour the diluted mixture of fresh milk and onion extract into a clean spray bottle. Next, mist the entire orchid, including the leaves, stem, roots, and leaf joints. The fine mist allows the solution to evenly coat the surface, helping remove dust while creating a more breathable environment and limiting the growth of fungi and bacteria in humid conditions. When spraying, don't forget both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves to enhance effectiveness and help maintain stable photosynthesis. This can be done once a week in the initial stage. Once the plant is healthy and stable, reduce the frequency for long-term maintenance. Method 3. Use this solution to water slowly and evenly around the base of the anthurium, allowing the nutrients to gradually soak into the root zone. Onions contain natural sulfur-rich compounds that provide mild antifungal support and stimulate root activity. Meanwhile, fresh milk supplies small amounts of protein, amino acids, and minerals such as calcium and potassium, helping improve the growing medium environment and enhance nutrient absorption. This combination helps strengthen the root system, creating a solid foundation for the plant to store energy and promote bud formation. As a result, the flower spikes grow sturdier, fuller, and more upright, while the blooms open evenly and retain their color for longer. Apply it once a week during the stage when the plant is preparing to bloom. Once the plant is stable and flowering regularly, you can reduce it to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain long-term, sustainable growth. Results. After 2 months of consistent application, the orchids begin to enter the blooming stage with very impressive changes. The flower spikes grow tall, sturdy, and develop evenly. The stems are thick and strong, indicating a stable nutrient foundation and good internal strength. The number of buds increases noticeably, distributed harmoniously along the spike. The buds are round, firm, and less likely to drop prematurely, setting the stage for a full blooming season. When the flowers bloom, the petals are thick, well-shaped, with vibrant colors that last for a long time. The blooms open in succession, keeping the orchid pot vibrant for weeks. The combination of onion extract and diluted fresh milk helps support a healthy root system, creating favorable conditions for bud formation and maintaining flower longevity after blooming. What do you think about this care method? Have you ever tried using onion and fresh milk for orchids? Share your experience in the comments below. This is a well-deserved result of patience and proper care. When nurtured correctly, orchids will reward you with lasting vitality and elegant beauty. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the Great Garden channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss simple yet effective orchid care tips. See you in the next videos on Great Garden.